Are you looking for treadmills for home workouts? In this video, I will show you the 5 best treadmills for home workout based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the Sunny Health and Fitness Folding Treadmill. Place your mobile device on the integrated device holder. Follow along to your favorite fitness apps or get professional tips and lessons from our certified Sunny Health and Fitness trainers through online training videos. With the latest technology, this treadmill offers user-friendly control keys right at your fingertips. Start, stop, and adjust your speed with the built-in handrail controls. Personalize the level of intensity of your workout with 3 different manual incline positions. Simulate running uphill and get those legs burning. The 4th product on the list is the WALKINGPAD C2 Folding Treadmill. WALKINGPAD C2 Walking Pad gives you another way to enjoy sports. Put the WALKINGPAD walking treadmill at home or in the office, you can walk at any time. Whether you want to relax after dinner or after sitting for a long time, you can enjoy relaxing and quiet walking exercises. The high-precision pressure sensor in the walking treadmill, you can control the walking pad in high, medium, or slow speed through footstep. Noise-free, comfortable fitness experience with the wear-resistant anti-slip walking belt and the noise reduction multi-layer. The 3rd product on the list is the TERRA Fitness TR 150 Folding Treadmill. Specifically designed for the home environment, the TR 150 incorporates numerous thoughtful features that were developed with your performance and comfort in mind. Hand grip pulse sensors are conveniently mounted on the side handlebars to help keep you in your training zone. Start on the road to fitness today with the TERRA TR 150 treadmill and exceed your expectations. The 2nd product on the list is the MERAX electric folding treadmill. Complete your home gym with a treadmill that has been optimized for convenience and efficiency. Powered by a strong but quiet 1.5 HP motor, MERAX folding treadmill is sturdy and reliable enough to withstand long-distance running sessions and support up to 240 pounds. 12 various preset programs, which alternates between high and low-intensity workout sessions, as well as 3 countdown modes, help achieve speed between 0.5 to 7.5 miles per hour for meeting your different fitness goals. A large LCD display helps track all necessary performance including speed, time, distance, and calories burnt to keep you constantly motivated. The 1st product on the list is the NORDICTRACK NTL 17915 treadmill. Take your workout to the next level with impressive decline and incline capabilities. With it, your trainer will auto-adjust your treadmill to mimic real-world terrain. After each workout, you can easily fold your T6.5S treadmill up and out of the way for compact storage that maximizes your living space. Hop off the treadmill and follow your trainers to participate in high-powered cross-training workouts designed to get you moving and feeling good. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.